Matimi ayi nipa nson so omunsi wo manemu na wo muntimi enko Nkonya koredua mu a wo mo ne nananom enhemfo akotwetwe nkomo ne nyina no eye asomdwe abua ye mpanifo ehwe ne mu nso mo betimi anomo sebe ya basabasa ye ya ema no homne so na nsentamo no eto ebetimi etwa sabasabasa ye enam so manipa dodo na eto nananom ewo ense do eno enenam so ma aban no editabo ato wo mo eso se wo mo enantam na wo mo nso mo nsore ntam tempanifo no ekirem a we no eha wo mo pa ama adwade ho nsam enkoyie fama wo mo mofra no so adesua mu nsam no ya toto ape enu nti ho behia se nananom panifo betimi ase nkonwa na wo betwetwe nkomo ama asomdwe ebua no matimi anoma no wisdom amlado wo no assemblyman enkane na owo Alavanyo na wo no kro ya so esan so Alavanyo youth no wo mo panyikase ya woda wo mo anim no enedi dom no anim na wo ne Adom kase adwetwe nkomo na wo de to ye nim ane wo kire nyan so mo hwe anim sa asomdwe ebua no betimi anoma no sebe ya curfew ya aban ede ato wo mo so no aban no betimi ama ne nsa so kakra na wo mumpuntu no etimi akonkan.
The youth, the elders of the community we chat together. Everything was just free as it used to be. So finally we have agreed that this conflict is affecting the two parties, that is the people of Nkonya and Alavanyo, and for that matter the Tai people and Hudidi and Peme people. So we finally agreed that we have to smoke the peace pipe, come together as family. Since we intermarry, the life that were lost were our own people. So we have agreed to form a committee or a task force to be at the two sides, who work at the two sides to bring us back to the negotiation table to find amicable solution to our problem.
Ocheme esiedu anom ya wono ye kasamafo edema nananom atena nkonya ye wo Nkonya wono so ne Adom kase etwetwe nkomo ya wo kire se ewo mu se Alavanyofo etimi abesra wo mu de wo mo nso bepeda na wo motu nananom mpanifo no makwa Alavanyo na wo mo nso etimi akosra mpanifo na ewo honom no sebe ya wo mo nso asomdwe ebua no bibia betimi akoyie ede ama wo mo na eno enwo chiame wo kire se emprempren ya no de wo hwemu a asomdwe no eguso a ekonenem tinke ya nka kafi no aban enyi mfamfiri wo mo so na wo mu hunu mpuntu ewo Alavanyo ene Nkonyafo no entem.
6 men and 1 woman came down to meet us. The undertaking we signed in Accra should be observed by every community. We should abide also by the tenets of the curfew, and then we wouldn't want to hear any gunshot from their side or from our side. We should observe that very much. 4, we wanted to inform our paramount chief to invite all Nkonya chiefs together so that we could think of how to establish some sort of committee, apart from Nkonya and apart from Alavanyo, to talk about 10 issues that are affecting the peace process. So after that, we all were so happy. We embraced one another and then we saw them off. They have brought the idea that we should come together, just as it was said at Howe the other time when we were invited to Howe, that we should visit them, they should also visit us. So when they came here, we received them as brothers. So after seeing our paramount chief, I think we will also decide a day that we will also visit them and see how their area too is. Then after that, we can establish a committee that will begin to iron out our differences gradually until perhaps one day we come to a compromise.